This is your Day 1 English shadowing practice. Let's build your fluency. Welcome to Day 1 of our 60-day English streak. Today, we are shadowing 15 advanced dialogues about healthy living. Each section is exactly 72 words to test your stamina and flow. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Deciding to wake up early was the first step toward reclaiming my personal health and mental clarity. Instead of reaching for my phone immediately, I now spend 10 minutes stretching my muscles and hydrating my body with lemon water. This small shift in my morning routine has drastically reduced my stress levels and allowed me to approach my professional responsibilities with a much more positive and focused mindset every single day. I used to ignore the labels on the food I bought at the local grocery store, focusing only on the price and convenience. However, I realized that processed sugars and artificial preservatives were making me feel sluggish and unmotivated. Now, I prioritize whole foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. Fueling my body with high-quality nutrients has transformed my energy levels and improved my overall physical performance significantly. Most people underestimate the profound impact that proper hydration has on their cognitive function and skin health. I started carrying a reusable water bottle everywhere I go to ensure I consume at least 3 liters of water daily. It was difficult at first to remember, but now it is a subconscious habit. My headaches have disappeared, and I feel much more alert during those long afternoon meetings at the office. Exercise shouldn't be viewed as a temporary punishment for eating poorly. Rather, it is a long-term celebration of what your body can achieve. I committed to a 30-minute daily walk regardless of the weather conditions or my busy schedule. Consistency is far more important than intensity when you are starting out. By showing up every day, I built the discipline necessary to transition into more challenging weightlifting and cardio sessions. Sleep is the fundamental pillar of health that most ambitious people tend to sacrifice in pursuit of their goals. I learned the hard way that a lack of rest leads to burnout and a weakened immune system. Now, I turn off all electronic screens 1 hour before bed to allow my brain to produce melatonin naturally. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule has been the most effective way to improve my mood and memory. Living a healthy lifestyle is just as much about your mind as it is about your physical body. I started practicing mindfulness meditation for 5 minutes every evening to process the day's events and release any lingering tension. This practice helps me stay grounded when life becomes chaotic and unpredictable. Developing mental resilience allows me to handle criticism and setbacks without losing sight of my long-term vision for a happy life. It is incredibly difficult to maintain healthy habits if the people around you are constantly encouraging poor decisions. I had to have honest conversations with my friends about my goals and set boundaries regarding late-night outings and junk food. Surprisingly, many of them were inspired by my dedication and decided to join me on this journey. Surrounding yourself with a supportive community makes the transition to healthy living much more enjoyable. Working a desk job for 8 hours a day can take a serious toll on your posture and spinal health. I invested in a standing desk and made a point to move around for 5 minutes every single hour. These small movements prevent my muscles from becoming stiff and keep my blood circulation flowing efficiently. You don't need a gym membership to stay active. You just need to avoid sitting still for too long. We live in a world where distracted eating has become the norm, leading many of us to overconsume calories without realizing it. I decided to stop eating in front of the television or while scrolling through my social media feeds. By focusing entirely on the flavor, texture, and aroma of my food, I feel more satisfied with smaller portions. Mindful eating has helped me develop a much healthier relationship with food. Chronic stress is a silent killer that can undo all the hard work you put into your diet and exercise. I found that spending time in nature, even if it's just a local park, helps lower my cortisol levels instantly. Taking deep, Diaphragmatic breaths when I feel overwhelmed has become my favorite tool for instant relaxation. Managing your stress is not a luxury, it is a vital necessity for long-term survival. Replacing an old, destructive habit with a new, constructive one requires a high level of self-awareness and patience. I struggled with a sugar addiction for years before I finally decided to swap candy for fresh fruit. The first 2 weeks were incredibly challenging, but my taste buds eventually adapted to the natural sweetness. Breaking free from the cycle of instant gratification has given me a sense of true personal freedom. Do not fall into the trap of trying to change every single aspect of your life in a single weekend. Real, lasting transformation happens through incremental progress and small daily wins that compound over time. I focused on one habit per month, such as increasing my fiber intake or reducing my caffeine consumption. By taking a slow and steady approach, I avoided the overwhelm that usually causes people to give up. While a balanced diet should always be your primary source of nutrition, certain supplements can help fill the gaps. I consulted with a healthcare professional to determine which vitamins my body was lacking based on my blood tests. Taking vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids has supported my brain health and bone density. However, I always remember that supplements are meant to assist a healthy lifestyle, not replace the need for real food. Monitoring your progress is essential for staying motivated when you feel like you aren't making any visible changes. I keep a daily journal where I record my energy levels, my workouts, and how well I slept the night before. Looking back at how far I have come over the last few months gives me the confidence to keep going. Data provides an objective view of your health that feelings cannot. Everything I am doing today is an investment in the person I want to become by the year 2026. Living healthily is not a destination you reach, it is a continuous process of self-refinement and discipline. I want to look back a year from now and be proud of the choices I made today. This journey toward fluency and health is the most important commitment I have ever made to myself. Great job on day 1. That was a lot of words, but your brain is already creating new pathways for these sounds. Come back tomorrow for day 2 where we tackle the vocabulary of professional business. Don't forget to comment day 1 complete below. See you tomorrow.